students, welcome to the grammar class. We are continuing with the question tags. Question tag means a short question added at the end of a statement. It is used only in the imperative sentences and in the statements or declarative sentences. Now let us look into where to use and how to use question tags. Mostly students feel difficulty in these two questions, where to use question tags and how to use question tags. How to use question tags, where to means only in the statements and in the imperative sentences and at the end of a statement. Here, how to use. Our discussion is about how to use question tags. Today in this class we are discussing about two kinds of sentences where we have to learn the use of question tags. That is how to form question tags. The first one is sentences with helping verbs. There are some sentences which may have helping verbs. There are 24 helping verbs in English grammar. 11 are called primaries and 13 are called modals, modal verbs. Primaries do, does, did, has, have, had, is, are, was, were, be and all. Be as main verb sometimes. So when we have the helping verbs, how one should form the question tag. She is singing songs. She is singing. Is the helping verb. So in this case, when we have a helping verb, we have to use that same helping verb for making the question tag. It is a positive sentence. There is no word. Therefore, it is a positive sentence. When the statement is positive, the tag must be negative. Is, isn't. And she is already there as pronoun. Therefore, we needn't worry about making a pronoun. So, just to take this and place at the end, isn't she and a question mark. So, here we may have a full stop. Remove the full stop and place a comma. Isn't she? Now let us look into the second example. Neha and Aman, two singular nouns are connected by and, which makes it plural subject. Therefore, we must have the plural pronoun, third person plural. Third person plural के लिए we have only one helping pronoun, that is they. Neha and Aman are classmates. Already we have the helping verb are and the sentence is positive. So, are plus not is equal to aren't. Take the helping verb first. Are plus not is equal to aren't plus pronoun, personal pronoun, third person plural, Neha and Aman. Therefore, we have to use they. Aren't they? Now, let us look into the third example. Birds can't fly. This is a negative sentence. Can plus not. Cannot. Can't fly. Birds can't fly. Birds, third person plural. Therefore, we have to use the pronoun they. Birds can't fly. So, we must make the tag positive. Can they. Take. Remove the not. Take can. For birds, they. Pronoun. Can they. Now, let us look into the second kind of sentences. Second kind is sentences with only main verbs. So, when we have the helping verbs, just take the helping verb. If the sentence is positive, make it negative. If the sentence is negative, make it positive. Take that same helping verb and give pronouns according to the subjects. If you have subject as a pronoun, you needn't worry. Take that pronoun as it is to the question tag. Sentences with only main verbs. Main verbs means we have the first form and the second form. First form is for the present tenses and second form for the past tense. So for present tense, we have two helping verbs, do and does. For the past tense, we have only one helping verb, did. Do for plurals, plural subjects, and does for singular subjects. Now let us look into how to use do, does and did in question tags. They, already pronoun, they played well. They played. Played means play, played, played. Played is the second form. Therefore, we have to make the tag play, played, Played. Played is second form. So we cannot use do or does. So we have to take did. For both singulars as well as plurals, in the past tense we have only one helping verb, that is did. So you needn't worry about taking whether I have to use do or does. We have one single one in the past tense. So utilize or use did. As the sentence is positive, we have to make a negative tag. This did plus not is equal to didn't. And already we have the pronoun. So just place the pronoun as it is. Didn't, they, and the question mark. Let us look into the second example. She never sings well. In this sentence, even the note is not there, but there is a negative word, never. Never tells us that it is not, that the sentence is negative. Therefore, we have to make a positive tag, first thing. Second, sings. Sings means does plus sing is equal to sings. So, when we have s here, you must, in the verb we have s, it means there is does in it. Does plus sing is equal to sings. She sings, that is she does sing well. Do plus s or es, that is does. She does sing well. So the helping verb, already the sentence is negative because never word is there. Our question tag must be positive. Does she. She is the pronoun. Boys play football. In this sentence, boys third person plural and we have only one pronoun for it. They play, first form of the verb. There is no s or es. Therefore, we have to use do. Do. Instead of boys, we have to take they. Do plus not. As the sentence is positive, we have to use negative tag. Do plus not is equal to don't. For boys, they. Don't they. So these are the first two kinds of sentences. Sentences with only helping verbs and sentences with only main verbs without the assistance of helping verbs. So just go through this, and if you have any doubt, just don't forget to ask me and never hesitate. I am always there for assisting you. We shall continue these classes. In the coming classes also we have to continue with the question tags because we have to discuss 4 more different kinds of sentences. Thank you. Have a nice day.